Muthenya wa keeri wa kamiti ya Senate iria irathuthuria cira wa kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa Kirinyaga Waiguru wa mbere gwikinya giikaro-ini giki ari mwira wa gavana Waiguru ni murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa thuguri kaunti-ini ino Joseph Otieno.
I, Joseph Karilas Otieno.
Otieno agikora gitirengeini gia gutariria uria Pauline Kamau na Wayne Gicira aria merikanite ni athiriti ya hakuhi ya gavana Waiguru manyitire itemi mutaratara-ini wa kuheana kandarathi iria riu itwikite kihumo gia cira uria utumite gavana Waiguru ahaguru ni bunge ya Kirinyaga.
Who is the chair of the evaluation committee?
Pauline Kamau.
Out of the 12 listed evaluation committee meetings, Pauline Kamau only chaired one, meaning he was appointed on only one.
Are you rebutting or are you leaving your earlier statement that Pauline participated in several tenders as opposed to your previous proposition?
Pauline participated in evaluating several tenders.
Oh, marvelous. I take that.
Wakiri wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga Waiguru ahinyiririe afitha uyu ndari na uma na muoroto wake no gutheria ritwa ria gavana ithenya-ini ria kihoto kuri andu a Kirinyaga.
Did you confirm that the company was registered in 2017 and bidded in 2018?
Yes.
And then you went on to give a professional opinion in that respect and confirming that the company has experience of 5 years and 3 years audited accounts?
As a joint venture, yes.
Give us the joint venture agreement.
Otieno ningi ni atiteire kambuni ya Velocity iria yaheirwo kandarathi ya mamilioni ma mbeca akiuga ati kambuni igire ta uria bunge ya Kirinyaga irenda kuonania.
The issue which was raised on the having two companies, one with an I and one with not, to the best of my knowledge, it was being pegged on a small typo which was in one of the paragraphs in the contract document.
There is no question that those documents relate to one company. I, for example, prepared the response of the governor. I wrote Velocity in all those documents myself. I actually did notice that there's a difference in the spelling myself, because it's not the sort of word. Generally, unless you really look, you read Velocity. That's a normal thing. So these are very typical sort of errors that happen.
MCA akaunti ya Kirinyaga kugerera wakiri wao Waiguru matitirithitie mahitia megie uheani wa kandarathi na kimenyano ni undu uikaine wega ni gavana Waiguru na nikio athurire arata ake gutongoria mitaratara ya uheani wa kandarathi niguo egunewe mwene.
The governor's hands are so present in all the tenders that have been impunged that the governor's officers, staffs are present, their hands are present, and that these officers are directly answerable to the governor.
I reiterate that these kinds of falsehoods are do not only demean the legislative arm of the county government, but are proof that the motion was only seeking to malign my name with an ulterior motive by the MCAs.
We have had both parties, and I must admit with all honesty that we have drilled deep into the matter before us. We have extracted enough content and or information that will guide this honorable committee come up with a concrete determination.
Gavana Waiguru eregereirwo gukamenya mwerekera wa cira wake muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki riria speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka etitie gikaro kia mwanya kwaririria riboti ya kamiti ya mwanya iria irathuthuria mahitia maria Waiguru acukiirwo. Ngiribotera Inoro TV njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.